Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Game Center not working on Mac. So if Game Center is not working properly, you may not be able to sign in, add friends, sync achievements or use other Game Center feature. While there can be different reasons behind this problem, but one of the quickest thing you can do to make sure you are signed in correctly and that Game Center is enabled on your Mac. In many cases, simply sign out and sign back in can refresh your Game Center connection and solve the common issue. So let's fix this issue together. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. Now if you have already logged in with your Game Center account, then scroll a bit and then click on Sign Out button. After that, click on Sign Out again when the confirmation pop-up appear and here login back. To do so, enable the toggle right to Game Center and then choose use this account. Now check if everything working properly or not. If you are still facing the issue, restart your Mac once and after your Mac restart again, return to System Settings and then Game Center and open the game again and check whether the Game Center is working properly or not. Hopefully Game Center should start working normally and you should be able to use the features without any issue. But if the issue still continues, here make sure to reset identifier and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.